Now we discuss lecture number 15, two candlestick patterns. As we already discussed in lecture number 14, single candlestick patterns, which gives the reversal signals through a single candlestick. Now we discuss two candlestick patterns in depth. Before understanding the two candlestick pattern, we have to consider the major golden rules while applying the candlestick pattern. The first most important golden rule is the color matters. That means when we look after the two candlestick pattern, both pair of candles is in contrast or opposite color. For an example, at the bottom we require a pair of red candle with green candle, and at that absolute top we require a pair of candle which is green and red. We also consider volume behavior along with the candlestick patterns. Two candlestick patterns, the shape is always compared by real body versus real body. If we take two pair of candles, then we always compare both candles with real body versus real body. It also means that we ignore the shadows. The another golden rule is we maintain the positions. It means the candlestick pattern formation will be always positioned at absolute top or absolute bottoms. Confirmation of trades are from next candle. Kindly keep patience for next 3 to 5 candles to perform after taking positions. Now we discuss the first two candlestick pattern called as bullish engulfing. As the candlestick formation show on your screen, the two candle pair at the absolute bottom, the first candle is of red real candle body and the next candle is green big size real body, which is overshadow or completely covers the previous candle real body. This pattern is considered to be the bullish engulfing. This pattern also signifies the decisive victory of bulls over bears. As you also see the chart formation on your screen, at the absolute bottom, this pattern clearly signifies that a reversal of bullish pattern. Before finalizing the bullish engulfing pattern, we also consider the important key factors. The first important key factor, that there is a prior downtrend. The candlestick pattern formation is absolute bottom. Previous candle is red real body candle and the current green candle completely overshadow the previous candle real body. It signifies a decisive victory over sellers or bears. Volume is also play an important role while considering the bullish engulfing pattern. There should be a high volume in the green candle of bullish engulfing. Now we discuss the next pattern called as bearish engulfing. As you see the candlestick formation on your screen, there are the two candle pair at the absolute top. One candle, the first candle is considered to be the green real body candle, and the next candle, which is a big large real body red real body candle, is completely overshadow the previous green candle body. This means there is a decisive victory of bears over the bulls. As you see at chart formation on your screen, there is a prior uptrend, and at the absolute top the big real body candle overshadow the previous green real body candle. Before finalizing the bearish engulfing pattern, we again consider the key factors. The prior trend is uptrend. This candle formation will be at absolute top. Prior candle is green real body candle, and the current red candle overshadow the previous green candle. We consider the decisive victory of bears over bulls, and volume play an important role while we finalizing the bearish engulfing. The volume is considered to be high in the current candle. Now we consider the next pattern called as piercing line. As the candlestick pattern show on your screen, there are the two candles at the bottom look like engulfing, but there is a slight difference in it. The first candle is red real body candle, and the next candle is a green real body candle, but it is not completely overshadow the previous candle. It is managed to close near about 50% of the real body of red candle. It clearly shows a strength of bulls over bears. As the sample graph or chart shown on your screen, at the absolute bottom it clearly signifies the piercing line pattern. Before considering or finalizing the piercing line pattern, we consider the important key factors. The first important key factor, there should be a prior downtrend. The piercing line pattern formation will be at absolute bottoms. Prior candle is red real body candle. The current candle is green body candle, which covers approximately 50% of the previous candle real body. It clearly signifies that bulls show a strength over bears. The volume play an important role. Volume is considered to be high in the upcoming candles. Now we consider the next pattern called as dark cloud cover. As the candlestick formation shown on your picture or screen, there are the two candles at the top positions. The one candle is green candle and the next candle is big red candle, which covers the 50% real body of the previous green candle. It shows that bears shows a strength over bulls. As you see a sample chart on your screen, at the absolute top you see a dark cloud cover pattern. Before finalizing the dark cloud cover pattern, we consider the important factors. The prior trend should be upward. This pattern formed at absolute top. Prior candle is green real body candle. The current red candle covers 50% of the previous real body green candle. This pattern clearly shows that bears show strength over bulls. Volume is high in the upcoming candles. Now we discuss the next candlestick pattern called as Bullish Harami. As the candlestick pattern formation show on your screen, there are two patterns. The first pattern is a big real red real candle body creates a low or bottom, and on the next candle we show a small green candle which is undershadowed by the previous red candle. On the another candlestick formation, we see a red real body which creates a low, and the today's current candle is in the form of doji. In this current candlestick formation, this pattern is also called as Harami cross. As you see a sample chart on your screen, there is a prior downtrend, and at the absolute bottom a big red candle creates a low, and on the next current candle it is look like a doji. This shows a clearly reversal pattern. While we finalizing the bullish Harami pattern, we consider the important key factors. The prior trend is considered to be downtrend. This pattern will found at absolute bottom. Previous candle is a big real candle body and also create a low or absolute bottom. Current green candle is very small or in the formation of doji. It clearly shows an indecision in buyers and sellers. Volume is high in the upcoming candles. In the Harami cross candlestick formation, in the doji formation, the volume is very low. It clearly shows an indecision between buyer and seller. Now we discuss a bearish Harami pattern. As the candlestick formation see on your screen, there are two patterns. The first pattern is a green big real candle body which creates a top, and the next current candle is a small red candle which is undershadowed by the previous candle. In the next formation, there is a big real green candle body which creates a top, and the current candle is look like a doji candle. As the example chart show on your screen, which clearly identify a bearish Harami pattern, and after that there is a strong downtrend reversal. Before considering the bearish Harami pattern, we have to discuss key factors in detail. The first key factor is prior trend is uptrend. The bearish Harami pattern formed at absolute top. The prior candle is a green real body candle which also create a top. The current red candle is small in size or in the formation of doji. This pattern clearly shows an indecision between buyer and seller. Volume is considered to be high in upcoming candles. At the top, if the Harami cross pattern is considered, then the volume is considered to be low. So after considering all 6 patterns, we just get a brief of 2 candlestick pattern which create a reversal patterns.